Hello everyone, Chef Eric here and welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And for today I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my signature chocolate brownies. They're really easy to make, they're delicious, they're fudgy, and they're everything you'd ever want a brownie to be. The full recipe with the measurements in cups and grams is listed on the screen, so feel free to take a screenshot. So you're gonna start by melting together some margarine, cocoa powder and dark chocolate in the microwave until it's looking really nice and smooth. Give it a really good mix and then set aside. In a large bowl or another separate bowl, you want to add in 3 large eggs along with your white and brown sugar and a little bit of vanilla. You want to whip this up with a hand mixer or a stand mixer for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until everything is looking really nice and fluffy. You want to whip this when it's looking really nice and fluffy. When you do lift the beaters, it should form like a ribbon, or it should just be really nice and pale, and should have significantly changed color. Once it's looking really nice and fluffy, you want to add in our chocolate mixture from earlier, and if it has started to set a little bit, make sure you just melt it in the microwave for a little bit, but it should be really nice and smooth. Add it in and fold it gently into the mixture. Fold it gently so that we don't knock out too much of the air we added. Then you want to add in your dry ingredients, here being some all-purpose flour, baking powder and cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional but highly recommended, so fold that in as gently as possible, also again not to knock out all the air, and you're done. The batter is done, it's delicious. And you want to pour this into a large baking tray. Here I'm greasing it with some margarine, and you want to make sure you grease it really well. And you can use whatever pan you have, a circular pan, a loaf tin, a sufuria, whatever. Grease it really well and pour your brownie batter inside. Bake at 180 degrees for about 35 minutes exactly. This is just going to give you the right balance of cakey and fudgy, and it's the right time for baking these brownies. Top with more chocolate chunks if you'd like, and bake. Once it does come out of the oven, you want to let it cool on the counter for half an hour and then chill in the fridge for an hour. This is just going to make sure it's really nice and dense and fudgy, and you want to cut it up and serve. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, make sure you tag me over on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever. I am under the name Budding Chef Eric, and I hope you guys meet here next week for yet another amazing recipe. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more amazing recipes every single Monday and Thursday. I top mine with some strawberry ice cream and a little bit of chocolate sauce. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give this recipe a try.